Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So if you clicked on this video, more than likely you have a Ford truck and this cruise control is not working. I've got a few words for you: speed, control, inhibitor switch. This is what it looks like. It's a very, very small part, but plays a big role. Basically, the symptoms would be like if your cruise control was like working like on and off for a while and then it just stopped working altogether. More than likely, it is this part that you need to change out. So specifically, it's a Motorcraft part, SW6546 would be what you're looking for. It's called the speed control inhibitor switch. It's a very expensive part online. I'll show you guys where it is on your truck. I'll show you guys how to switch it out. So let's go. All right, guys, so let me real quick show you where the where this thing is located. So we're up, these are where our gas and brake pedals are. So you're up underneath here and you guys see sorry, gotta get it. It is right up here. Right up there. You see the white and the blue matches the part that I showed you a little bit earlier. That is where the switch is. Okay, so we've got the old one out right here. I want to show you guys real quickly what it takes to get this guy out. There is this little hole right here that a wire is plugged into. There's not a lot of room to work with underneath here, I'll tell you that much. All right, so this wire right here is what is plugged into it. There's a little pin that you guys will see, and you just got to push in before you can pull out. It's pretty self-explanatory. There it is. Wish this thing would focus a little bit. But anyways, this black pin is plugged into it, into that little hole I showed you earlier. Push down. I used a flathead screwdriver. That worked really well, and then I pulled it out. And then it was a simple counterclockwise rotation to the side, and then it pulled right out. So that wire I showed you under there was what was plugged into right here. I used a flathead screwdriver to apply pressure in that little this little slot right here, and then the wire pulled right out, and then twist to the side and pull right out. And that's all there is to it, guys. Hopefully this helped you guys out. The part was very inexpensive. I'll leave a link down in the description below where I bought it. I looked on Amazon, I looked on eBay. Those were actually much more expensive options for the same part. I think I wound up getting it from rockauto.com. I think it was like $3 or $4 on rockauto.com, and like Amazon and eBay, I think one of like 30 or 40 bucks for the same part. Something crazy like that. But I'll leave a link in the description below for where I got the product. Hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, click the like button or go ahead and subscribe if you're brand new to the channel. And yeah, guys, that's all there is for today's video. We'll catch you guys next time.